I don't know you, but your pretty little eyes so blue are pulling me in like the moon.
My gobstopper. So, Caitlin mentioned me in some of her videos. Thanks, Caitlin! So, I'm gonna mention her in one of my videos. What you gonna do about it? So, yeah, there's Caitlin Birch. I've already mentioned. Gobstopper, anyone? I'll give her some. I'll only give you some gobstoppers and cookies if you go check out Caitlin Birch and iKobe Trinity. Go do it! Oh, homie. I can't play the cool thing. I'm too hip for that. Check out my phone. Focus. Front of my phone. It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, 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 oh. That looks really bad. Okay. So, it's Gobstopper. I usually film things with my phone. Today I didn't. Just cause it didn't have the energy. So go check out Caitlin and you might get Gobstopper. Do it.